Hi guys, welcome. I hope you're doing good, and I would like to thank all the students who have reposed their faith in me and have subscribed overwhelmingly for the Advanced Mains Masterclass program that is going to start on 10th of June. So this video is mainly for giving you an update because a lot of students were asking two common questions about the program. So I thought that I will just address that query so that the doubts that you have is once and for all cleared, and you can start preparing for your mains exam. All right, here we go. So the first question is, how many hours of classes do we have? You will have 8 hours of classes, 4 hours of one session, a lunch break, and then 4 hours of another session. And in this 8 hours, majority of the time you will be doing writing. Whenever there has to be conceptual clarity, I'll be explaining the concepts, but majority of the time you will be writing, because we have structured and systemized the content and simplified it to such an extent, you will automatically understand if you're writing consciously and you're writing along with learning. This is the motto of the program. The second question is something that is there on everyone's mind, and the question is coming from mostly the freshers. Now when I say freshers, there are two groups. One who have scored 80 plus in this year's prelims, who have very high chance of clearing this exam and will be writing mains shortly. The second group is they are in the 70 plus range, and they know that they have the potential inside, but they have missed out by making some mistakes in the exam. But they are equally eager, they have the equal potential, and they are equally focused and are demanding that they want to take up the course. So this is the question that they are actually putting forth, and hence I'm trying to clarify for them. So both these students, one scoring good, that is they are scoring on par and are able to clear, and one who are very close, that is 70 plus, who have the potential and have missed out on a few marks. For both the students, this course will help you, because in 3 days, you will be covering one GS paper. Now in this 3 days, 8 hours of class for 3 days is 24 hours. And in this 24 hours, you will be doing the write-up for almost 22 hours. And in this write-up, you will not only be doing more than 20 themes on every paper, you will also be doing model answers on every previous year questions of the last 3 years. On top of that, you will be doing intros, conclusions, and dimension building. Now, the moment you finish the 3 days for a particular GS paper, let us say if there is a GS paper with 18 syllabus points in mains syllabus, I can assure you that you would have finished 15 out of that 18 syllabus points in just 3 days by attending this program. And this is the greatest advantage point. You don't have to spend 15-20 days attending a program that is spread out for an entire month to finish a GS paper. You can just finish the entire GS paper in 3 days, provided that you are focused, diligent, and are ready to put in the efforts and hard work. So believe me, 3 days in every GS paper, 4th day you will have a test. And I request each and everyone who is subscribing to this program, you may have cleared the cutoff, or you may not be writing the exam, it doesn't matter. But the 4th day, after the 3 days of writing, the 4th day is the test on that particular GS paper, and I compulsorily want each and everyone to write that test. This is compulsory, and I'm going to check all the papers. Okay, so please make sure that you write the test, you will not miss the test. That's a sincere request from my side. So I hope you got the clarity. The first is how many hours will it run, so I hope that I've addressed it. The second is how will the syllabus coverage happen. I've told you, on an average, if there are 18 to 19 syllabus points in the paper, I can assure you that around 14 to 15 syllabus points will get covered by the end of 3 days, and you'll be writing a test on the 4th day. If this happens in the span of 18 days, all the 4 GS papers, 15 syllabus points are covered with all the structured notes in you, writing 4 different tests. That will be the greatest advantage that you can have over your peer competitor. So please make sure that you are sincere, and please make sure that you are hyper-focused. I'll see you in the program, guys. Thank you so much for the response. I will not let you down for all the faith that you have laid upon me. See you guys in the program. Bye.